Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our combination Radiator Overflow and windshield washer tank for the 87 to 96 trucks and Broncos that is also a great upgrade for the 66 to 77 Broncos. Most Reservoir tanks, due to age, have cracked, discolored, or broken completely. Dennis Carpenter has an exact reproduction of the original, molded from high-quality plastic. These tanks are a direct bolt-on replacement for your damaged original. They come complete with the caps with the correct factory wording molded onto them. The reservoir pump is not included and will need to be bought separately or reuse your original. This new wiper washer coolant fluid combination bottle is also a great upgrade for the 66 to 77 Bronco engine bay. The 76 to 77 Broncos will need to remove the core support to the wheel tub brace to complete the upgrade. The set will replace both the factory washer bottle and the overflow bottle. It attaches to the left fender apron directly in front of the wheel tub, eliminating the extra bottle on top of the right side front wheel tub. So if you're restoring a classic Ford, you can find these and many other quality restoration parts at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.